Check this out. Train whistle. This is a one-piece print. It's based off of this design, which is in the public domain. All it is a pipe with a slice here, 45 degrees, and this little slot there. Very simple whistle, very basic. All I've done is instead of having one, I have three all around. So that's what I've done here. 1, 2, 3. So it's the same design as the public domain. So there's nothing, there shouldn't be any conflict with any anybody's design out there. So slides right on a 3/4 inch piece of pipe. Need to fine tune the sound a little bit more, but there you go. It pretty minimal material. I'll be able to spit a lot of these out pretty quick. I could probably get 10 of them on the printer bed there.